Hey, what's up? Mari B here. I got good news for you. I started. I did it. I finally did it. I started the book writing challenge. And so can you. Listen, I did this for you because I had a lot of requests, a lot of people asking me, Mari, I need help. I want to start a book, but I don't know where to start. And I get it. I've been there. So I decided to start the book writing challenge. I'm starting a 7-day book writing challenge just for you. Guys, by the end of 7 days, you're going to have a topic for your book. You're going to have a title and a tagline for your book. You're going to have purpose for your book. You're going to have an outline for your book. And most of all, the most exciting part of it all is you're going to have a rough draft of your book by the end of 7 days. Yes, it is possible. As long as you believe that you can do it and you stay committed and I get your full attention over the 7-day book challenge, trust me, you're going to make it happen. We're going to kill that procrastination right at the roots, and we're going to get this book started, and we're going to get it finished. So check out the link below, subscribe so you can get informed when I launch the book writing challenge, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be sending notifications through YouTube as well. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. All it's going to cost you is your time, your commitment. But you can do it, and it's going to be amazing. Trust me, it's going to be so worth it. I look forward to seeing you at the challenge. I challenge you for 7 days. 7 days to get started. I'll see you then.